Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna go over how to make money with TikTok without having to show your face. Make sure you guys stay till the end of the video because I'm going to share with you what kind of content you should be putting out so that you can make the most amount of money without showing your face. And for those who are new, my name is Lauren Radix, and my mission is to help you to make more money online and grow a bigger following on social media. If you leave a comment below, I promise I'll get back to you. Also leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another episode. I personally guarantee that this video about making money on TikTok is gonna leave you with enough information and enough knowledge so that you can get started right away. It was only about 3 months ago that I was probably in your position. I had 3,000 followers on TikTok and made no money off of it. But now I've made thousands of dollars simply following the advices that I'm about to give to you. So I know exactly what it's like to be in your shoes, and I know how you guys could get started right away so that you could grow a following and make money. The first thing that I do want to emphasize is that this is going to take a lot of hard work. Don't think after 2 days of watching this video, you're going to get viral on TikTok. That's just not going to happen. You're going to have to put out a lot of content consistently. But I guarantee if you follow the principles that I'm about to outline, you will become TikTok famous without showing your face. So step number 1, if you guys don't already do this, you need to know what kind of content you're gonna create if you want to be able to make money off of TikTok. So to make videos without showing your face, you're gonna have to make 3 types of content. Either one of those, you're gonna have to create a character or some sort of animated photos or something that you're gonna make a page around. You could also wear masks, or you could make curated content, which would just be taking other creators' content or doing reactions to it. Now, all of these do work, but each of them is gonna be good for some reasons and bad for others. So I want to outline all those so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So the first video type would be making a character or an animated video or some type of photos. And guys, to be totally honest, it's gonna be really hard to make a page about this. This type of content doesn't do as well on the For You page as other types of content, like wearing a mask or making curated content. So I honestly would not recommend that you guys do this. I would, however, recommend that you guys either wear a mask or make curated content. This is why wearing a mask would be great, because you could wear a mask that covers your face, or you could hide your face in every video. This will allow you to get really creative. If you've never seen the creator Banks, he did this on Instagram, and it really became this huge thing between him and his fans. And they really wanted to engage with him because they want to know who he was. They wanted him to show his face, and he just kept dragging it along. You guys could create a whole game around this, and your whole persona could be somebody that doesn't show their face. I think that's a really creative idea, and it'll definitely get people engaged. Now to the third content type. Honestly, I'm kind of torn between wearing a mask and doing curated content. But doing curated content is great, simply because there's an endless amount of content. All you have to do is search for videos or pictures that fits the niche of your page, and then just repost it. The best part about this is that you're just gonna take the best content that you can get and just post it, so it's already kind of curated. There's an endless amount of really good content that you can use, so this is a great opportunity. And a lot of times you could take something from Instagram too. Make sure to give them credit for doing it. And this stuff have a really good potential of going viral. The biggest thing to watch out for, and the biggest warning I have for you, is if you're gonna do curated content, please make sure you're not using copyrighted stuff, because you don't want to deal with somebody suing you. Trust me. You also don't want to deal with TikTok taking your posts down. That would be a really big pain after you spent all this time finally getting some content posted on your page. So keep that in mind. So now that you guys know what type of content you're gonna create, you're gonna need to know when to post it and what hashtags to use. Personally, I use the combination of these three things to blow up my page. With this strategy, I went from 250 followers to 460,000 in 1 month. This is literally gonna happen overnight. All it takes on TikTok is one video to go viral. It's so powerful. You guys need to realize that you need to do these three things right. You need to post the right time, use the right hashtags, and be posting the right type of content that people want to see. If you do these things consistently in 2022, you're gonna blow up on TikTok. I can almost guarantee it. The TikTok hashtag strategy consists of 3 simple steps. 1. Use 1 to 2 trending hashtags. All you're gonna have to do is take your phone, go to TikTok, search for hashtags, and the ones that show up in red are the ones trending right now. Make sure you guys choose 1 to 2 of those for every post. Use 1 to 2 relevant hashtags. So for example, if you're making a baseball channel, use hashtag baseball or hashtag crazy baseball play or something like that. And then also make sure that on every single post you guys put out, use hashtag FIP or hashtag for you page. That will make sure you follow the current algorithm. Now, you need to do all of those things on every single post, and keep in mind, you don't want your description to be too long because it'll cut into your content and then your content's gonna look like crap. You definitely don't want that to happen. The other thing that you need to make sure you're doing is duetting famous people. Whether it be just in your niche and they're small-time famous or they're big-time stars, make sure you guys are doing them with reaction videos, with comment videos, or things like that. Now, as far as the best time to post on TikTok, listen carefully. I want you guys to post from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. between 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Monday to Friday. On the weekend, you need to post all day. Make sure you guys are posting 5 to even 30 times a day. That's what I do on my own channel, and that's what the algorithm picks up. Alright, so now you guys have the following in place: the content, the hashtag strategy, and you're going to post on the specific times I just told you. At this time, you're gonna gain a lot of followers, and once you have followers, how are you gonna make money from them? Here's how, and just so you guys know, in order to monetize it, I'm gonna give you guys 4 different steps. 3 of them require that you have a following right now, and the last one doesn't, so let's get into it. First tip, go live. Interact with your fans. If you make curated content, you're gonna have to put a mask on. But you need to interact with your fans, and in order to do that, you are gonna have to go live. You're gonna talk to them, play games with them, you're gonna shout them out, you're gonna get to know them, and what's gonna happen is these people are gonna donate to you. Personally, I could go live for around 2 hours and make hundreds of dollars from donations. I was able to do this with just 20,000 followers, so you could definitely do that as well. But in order to go live, you're gonna need at least 1,000 followers. So let's get into the second way to make money on TikTok. The second way is gonna be by duetting people or doing shoutouts for money. The easiest way to do this is to go live and find people that you know will donate. Or you could just DM people that are relevant within your niche. Say, for example, you have a baseball page with 100,000 followers. You can reach out to other people that sell baseball products and say, hey, I'll do a duet for $50. I will do a shout out for $100. You get the point. As far as the price go, shoot as high as you can at first and let them bring you down. And then you can figure out a price that you'll make, but never go too low in price. Step number 3 is to charge people for promo posts. This could mean that you are using somebody's music or using somebody's hashtag. You could get really creative with this, and honestly, the opportunities are endless. It's so much money to be made with this. You guys just need to put in the upfront work of getting your followers up, and then reach out to a bunch of people. And don't expect that you're gonna reach out to 100 people and 90 of them gonna throw their money at you. You're gonna reach out to 100 people and maybe 10 of them are gonna give you money. But guess what? If you want to make money on TikTok and not have to go to work, you're gonna have to put in some kind of hard work. So the last tip to monetize your TikTok, and you do not need a following for this, it's gonna be timebox.com. What they do is you sign up, link your TikTok account, and then what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have to do certain posts for them. It'll either be promoting a hashtag, duetting somebody's video, or promoting a song, and these people are gonna pay you to do that. You're gonna get paid on a CPM basis, which means for every 1,000 views, you're gonna get X amount of money. This is the same exact way that people get paid on a lot of social media platforms. This is a really good way, especially if you get really good engagement, to be able to make money right away on TikTok. And like I said, in order to make money, you don't need a minimum amount of followers. All you need is some engagement, some posts, and a Timebox account. So there you guys have it. That's everything that you need in order to start making money on TikTok without showing your face. I told you guys the content to make, what hashtags to use, what time to post, and then even how to monetize it. As usual, if you have any questions, I'll be answering all the comments in the comment section below. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you have to say. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.